Hello, I'm Sharon Bolt and I'm the founder of Good Dogs. Welcome to this Puppy Training Made Easy course. Now, I designed this course for people who are either looking to get a puppy or have just recently got a puppy. Now, every second counts. Every second is crucial when it comes to training a puppy, which is why it's really important to get it right from the very start in order to have a happy, fun-loving and well-behaved puppy. Now, during this course, I'll show you step by step through video demonstrations exactly how you can do this. And the good news is it's easy for you to do and get quick results. Now, do you like the sound of that? Great. So if you're wondering to yourself, why should you bother listening to me? Who am I to teach you how to train your puppy? Well, I know what it's like to be faced with two unruly puppies. In fact, my life and career changed when we got two 8-week-old Parson Russell Terriers, boys from the same litter. Now, I was told by numerous dog trainers it was the worst case scenario. They explained that because they were blood related, that they would look at each other for direction, do whatever they liked, and they would fight more than likely for the top dog position. They also explained that it would get really nasty and I would more than likely need to move one of them on. Now, I was devastated. I looked at these two bundles of fluff in front of me and said out loud, "You two are not going anywhere." So I was on a mission and I wanted to find a natural way that would communicate to them and stop their awful predictions from coming true. Now, that was over 10 years ago. Today they are just happy and fun-loving dogs. They're their best friends and there's never been a crossword between them. Now, that's the good news. I'm going to share with you my insights and methods that I've used in order to achieve this so that you can do so too. And I've got some more really good news for you, because the methods that I'll be teaching you throughout this course are easy for you to do. This is not rocket science. Dogs do not want anything fancy or complicated. They just want simple, clear, concise communication. So that's what I'm going to teach you how to do during the course. Now, consistency and repetition are the keys to success, but do be prepared to see some quick results, even by dedicating just a short amount of daily training time. When you give puppies and dogs the right communication and the right information, they learn quickly and fast. So we will also be having lots of fun along the way with your puppy too. So if you're raring to go, which I hope that you are, let's get started.